Hello everyone, I'm Amir Hossein. Welcome to this training video. In this video I will show you how to convert a WRF output from NetCDF to GeoTIFF. So after converting to GeoTIFF you can visualize it with a GIS software such as QGIS or ArcGIS. So in the post-WRF directory, open name list, go to the section, navigate below this name list and go to the section WRF convert to GeoTIFF and enable this section. Let me change this variable from PVO to RH, which represents relative humidity, and let me change this pressure level, atmospheric pressure level, to 700 hectopascal. I save it, and we have our WRF outputs here. These are several WRF outputs which are linked or copied in this directory, in the post-WRF directory. I run post-WRF. It looks through the directory and finds any WRF output here. I select number 2 and it asks me about the time steps or time slots inside the WRF output. I push enter. It means that it gets all the time slots. Okay, the process ends here. After the process is finished, a directory starting with outputs is generated. If I go inside this directory and list the files, you can see that for each time slot we have a GeoTIFF file of the variable that we specified in the name list. The variable was RH, or relative humidity. So now we can visualize each of these files, each of these GeoTIFF files, with a GIS software. Let me open QGIS. If I load one of these files, I should navigate to post-WRF inside this output, and let me select 2 files here, 2 files, and add it. Let me set a color palette for these files. And let me copy the same palette for the next file. And you can see that relative humidity on 700 hectopascal for 2 time slots. We could easily extract or convert it from the WRF output to GeoTIFF data.